Hello everybody, welcome back to Conscientious Omnivore. My name is Pal. Today I'm just going to do a quick video on this pepper plant. I actually got this recently from my mom. Thank you, Mom. And she had this growing in her garden, but she actually planted this kind of late, I think, in the season. So it didn't actually start to ripen until kind of late, and she ended up putting it into a pot. She had a bunch of these, and she gave me one. And they're really nice little chilies. They're actually quite tasty. They're not like kill you spicy, but they've got a little kick, and pretty nice little spice. And peppers, despite what a lot of people think, will actually in southern climates, you know, they're annuals. They'll like, or maybe that's the wrong word. I always forget which one is a perennial or annual. But anyway, they'll keep going year after year. It's only in the northern kind of regions where it'll die out from the cold. So if you put them in a pot and bring them inside for the winter, you can usually get them to survive and then replant them back in your garden in the springtime. And my brother's done this successfully for many years. He has some peppers that are like multiple years old, and he keeps bringing them back and forth between the garden and the house. And I'm going to try doing that with this plant. So what my brother said to do is to snip off all the peppers, because that will actually further alleviate the stress on the plant. It won't try to like grow them anymore or divert any kind of energy to them. And then more than likely, he said, what will happen is this will kind of like reshoot leaves and start growing again. So I'm going to do that today. I'm going to just remove all the little chilies from it. I'm going to use a little, pair of scissors or something and just snip them off. I've eaten a few of these already. They taste great, and they're quite colorful. You can see some of them are kind of like this yellow, kind of purple. There's red. There's all sorts of cool different little colors on here. So most of them are red, I guess, but yeah, you get a couple of slightly different kind as well here. Like this one's a nice purple one. Pretty ornamental and very nice. So I'm gonna just put these in a bowl, and I'm gonna keep them in the fridge. I found that I don't eat that many chilies personally, and nobody else in the family does. So like I need a good way to kind of keep them for a while, and I found that when you do that, they stay for a long time. They stay good. They tend to just dry out, and then I can just put them into like a bowl of soup or whatever else and kind of rehydrate them, or use them to cook. But usually I only do that for things that I'm cooking for myself, like mushrooms or stuff like that. So yeah, anyway, I'm gonna do that. I'll chop these off, and then keep watering this, keep it in a sunny spot in the house, and hopefully I can plant this in the spring. If it does survive, I will show you guys and give you an update. So make sure to subscribe if you're not signed up already, and hope to see you in the next one. Thanks. Bye. Okay, so I couldn't help myself. I had to show you guys what they look like when I collected them all. Really, really beautiful colors. So I don't think it really came across in the previous scene. But you can see most of them are this beautiful red color, but there's a lot of these, green ones, yellow ones, orange ones. There's some nice purple ones in there. Really cool, very ornamental. I love this. So yeah, just wanted to show it to you guys. See you in the next one. Bye.